Welcome to American English with Sushil.
Morning, wake up.
Good morning. Wake up, sleepyhead.
I don't want to get up yet.
Come on, it's Sunday. We planned so many things.
I know, but the bed feels too comfortable.
If you get up now, I'll make your favorite breakfast.
Really? Pancakes?
Yes, pancakes with honey.
Okay, I'm getting up.
Finally, you always act like a child in the morning.
Only on Sundays.
Come on, sleepyhead, it's time to start the day. The sun is already shining.
Brushing teeth. Why is the water so cold today?
Because you forgot to turn on the heater again.
When did I forget?
Last night, I reminded you twice.
Oh, yeah, I thought I turned it on.
You thought? Thinking doesn't warm the water.
True, very true.
Brush properly. You always rush.
I'm not rushing, I'm just efficient.
Efficient? That's why your dentist knows you so well.
Okay, I'll take my time.
Good. And don't forget to clean the sink after.
I never forget.
Really? Who left toothpaste all over the sink yesterday?
The ghost?
Ugh, just finish brushing.
Breakfast time.
What do you want for breakfast?
Pancakes with honey.
Only if you help me in the kitchen.
Deal. I'm the best helper.
Really? Last time you helped, you burned the eggs.
That was an experiment.
A disaster experiment.
Trust me, today I'll be perfect.
Okay, then mix the batter.
Like this? Oh!
No, not so fast. Slow and gentle.
Oh, that's why my batter becomes lumpy.
Exactly.
This is harder than it looks.
Nice one. You nailed it.
Do you want tea or coffee?
Tea today, light and warm.
Coming right up, madam.
You're acting like a waiter.
A professional waiter, thank you. Cleaning the house. Why do we always clean on Sunday?
Because you mess everything up during the week.
I don't mess things up. Things just move on their own.
Really? Then why is your sock inside the microwave?
I have no explanation for that.
Clean the living room. I'll handle the bedroom.
All right. Where should I start?
Start with the sofa. Remove those chips packets.
Those are not mine.
Oh, yeah? I don't eat chips at 2 a.m.
Caught.
And please organize the books.
Why do books always get messy?
Because you take one out and never put it back.
I'll do it now. Promise.
Are you serious? You left a sock in the microwave. I am so sick of this mess. I'm leaving.
Fine. Whatever.
Going out.
Are you ready?
Yup. Let's go for a walk.
The weather looks perfect today.
Yeah, the air feels fresh.
Look at that little dog. So cute.
You want a dog, right?
Maybe someday, when you clean after him.
Oh, suddenly I'm not ready for a dog.
I knew it.
Want to get some juice?
Sure. Mango juice?
Perfect choice.
I'm so glad we came out here today. The flowers are amazing.
Me too. This was a great idea.
Market scene. Do we need anything from the market?
Vegetables and maybe some ice cream.
Maybe. You definitely want ice cream.
Well, yes.
Which flavor?
Chocolate. Always chocolate.
And I'll take vanilla.
You're so simple.
Simple is classy.
Should we buy bread too?
Yep, and some cookies.
You and your cookies.
This flavor looks amazing. Perfect. I'll grab this. Let's go.
Afternoon. Relaxing.
I'm tired. My feet hurt.
Same here. We walked a lot today.
Let's rest for a bit on the sofa.
Good idea. I'll make some tea first.
Make mine a little strong, please.
Sure. Do you want cookies too?
Yes, bring the chocolate ones.
All right, I'm on it.
You always make the best tea.
Really? I thought my tea was average.
No, I'm serious. It tastes perfect every time.
That makes me happy. He brings tea.
This is so relaxing.
Let's watch something on YouTube.
Not a long video. Maybe something funny.
Okay, here's a funny cat video.
Look at its face.
I know, cats are hilarious.
I wish we had a pet.
Someday, when we have more space.
True.
Feeling better now?
Yes, much better.
Evening walk. The sunset looks beautiful today.
Yes, the sky is so orange.
This is my favorite time of the day.
Mine too. Everything feels peaceful.
Look, even the birds are flying back home.
It makes me feel calm.
Do you want to walk a little faster?
No, let's walk slowly. It feels nice.
Okay, slow walk it is.
What should we do tonight after dinner?
Maybe watch a movie?
A romantic one?
Maybe, or maybe a comedy.
Let's choose after dinner.
Sure.
Look at that little dog. So cute.
Oh, it's running so fast.
Evening walks always refresh my mind.
Same here. It feels like a reset button.
I can't remember the last time I laughed this hard.
Me neither. It's been a perfect evening.
Dinner?
So, what should we eat for dinner?
I'm tired. Let's order something.
Pizza?
Yes, pizza sounds perfect.
Which one? Veg or cheese burst?
Cheese burst. Always cheese burst.
Okay.
Should we add garlic bread too?
And a cold drink.
Done. I'm placing the order.
How long will it take?
Around 30 minutes.
Perfect. I'll set the table.
Food arrives.
Wow, it looks amazing.
And it smells even better.
Let's eat. I'm starving.
Careful, it's hot.
This is delicious.
Totally worth it.
Days like this make me feel happy.
Me too. I love simple Sundays like this. Night. Going to sleep.
Finally, the day is over.
Yeah, it was a long day, but a good one.
I liked our evening walk the most.
Same here. The sunset looked beautiful.
And the weather was perfect. Not too cold, not too warm.
True. Sundays feel different, you know?
Yeah, calm and peaceful.
Did you enjoy the pizza?
Of course I did. You always choose the best food.
I just know what you like.
I'm still a little full.
Same. I hate too much.
Did you finish your work for tomorrow?
Almost. I'll complete it in the morning.
Good. Don't stress too much.
I won't. Today was too relaxing to feel stressed.
Should I set the alarm?
Yeah, set it for 7 a.m.
Okay, done.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, the blanket feels cozy.
Do you want water?
No, I'm fine. Thanks.
I feel really sleepy.
Me too. But I enjoyed talking with you today.
I enjoy talking with you every day.
Aw, that's sweet.
Okay, let's sleep now.
Yeah, big day tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night. Sleep well.
You too.